Thank you. Well, this is the time of year that a lot of kids are getting sick. Maybe they need a new sports physical or just a wellness checkup. And it can be hard juggling schedules, trying to get them to the doctor. But there's a new solution in Cleveland. Doctors and health centers right inside some schools. Catherine Huntley has the story.
2, 1.
A ribbon was cut on the newest in-school healthcare center at John Marshall High School in Cleveland. It's one of 3 new locations within the Cleveland Metropolitan School District, opened with $3.7 million in ARPA money.
What we're witnessing here today with this clinic is yet another step to breaking down many barriers that our scholars face with receiving a quality education.
The healthcare centers are operated by Cleveland Clinic and Metro Health. They offer the whole host of medical care options to students, including annual visits, sports physicals, illness and injury care, lab testing, mental health care, chronic disease management, and many others, all right in the school building.
It provides a new service for our students and their families, reinforcing the complementary role health and education play in helping young people grow and thrive.
We discovered that not only did school health improve students' health, it actually improved their attendance as well and their grades. They simply perform better.
Metro Health CEO Dr. Christine Alexander Rager said opening these clinics in schools not only helps kids stay in school longer and prevents parents from taking time off work for appointments, but it also has helped students stay out of the emergency room. She said children who have in-school health care are also 97% more likely to complete a well child exam.
You deserve the best possible start to a long, fulfilling, and healthy life.
Not only did this healthcare center open up in John Marshall High School, but 2 others opened this fall as well. One in Anton Gardena K-8, the other in JFK High School. There are now 6 total in-school healthcare centers open in the CMSD. In Cleveland, Catherine Huntley, 19 News.